All right, so I want to give you a review and a demo of PLR Wealth so you guys will have a better understanding of what this product is before you invest in it. So PLR Wealth is a full course on how to find and buy PLR products, which is private label right products, and being able to rebrand and claim ownership of these products and then resell them on your own WordPress website to keep 100% of the profits. So basically this is a really easy way of being able to launch your own product without having to create your own product because it's already been done. So it's going to really reduce the amount of time, money, and resources that you need to do to make your products unique so you can get them out there on the market and start making money from them. So inside of the PLR Wealth course, this is the training area. In the training area, there's several videos here, and it starts off with understanding PLR, and that's what this video goes over. In fact, there's a link here that also has rights explained that you can access that's going to go over and show you different types of rights you can have for products that you buy that you can claim as your own or just resell the way they are. The next video is going to talk about finding PLR products, where to go to get these products that are of good quality. Also up here is a link called PLR Sources, which will take you to a page where you can get all of this information also. And there's a lot of different links here that talks about different types of products such as unrestricted rights, subscription-based, different stores, and individual PLR products. And this list is constantly being updated with new products, so you'll always have access to those if you need them. Picking and editing products is another video that goes into detail about finding these products and then being able to go into them, because a lot of these products will let you edit them. In fact, a lot of them will give you the raw files, such as the doc files. So you can go into the Word document, edit anything you want, add your own affiliate links, and even add intros and outros to videos if videos come with the product that you purchase. The next one talks about hosting and WordPress setup. So in this video, it's going to go over how to find a domain name, how to set up WordPress hosting so you can get your site set up. The website structure overview is a very important video because with the PLR Wealth, you get a WordPress theme that you can use that already has a funnel set up in it that you can use to resell PLR products. And what makes this great is this included WordPress theme has an opt-in page so you can grow your email list. It has an upsell page so where you can upsell your visitors and your clients onto other products. And it also has member pages where they can go to download these products and even access affiliate links that you put on these pages, so you can really take advantage of different ways to monetize these products that you're buying and reselling. The next video covers installing and editing the theme. So in this video, you're going to learn how to use this WordPress theme and how to edit the pages, because obviously depending on what PLR product you buy, you will want to add that to this website. And so you're going to learn in this video how to replace the logo, how to replace content, videos, and anything else that you need that comes with your own PLR product that you purchased. These videos talk about how to create your PayPal and Stripe buy buttons, which obviously you have to have if you want to accept payments. And then you have another video here that talks about setting up your autoresponder. So this goes over using GetResponse and ConvertKit, both autoresponders, and how to set them up to work with this WordPress theme funnel so you can automate the process of building your email list and upselling all these customers who are opting in to purchase these upsells. There's another video that talks about strategies for selling and how you can do that using the WordPress theme. And then there's a few different ways that are mentioned about ways you can promote the PLR products to get more sales. So this is the entire course here that you get on the front end for just $27. And then up here at the top you have, this is the training section we're on. The rights explained is going to go over the different types of rights such as private label, master resale, resale rights, giveaway, and personal rights. And then the PLR sources we already talked about. There are 2 upsells with this product. They are completely optional and they do not affect this front-end product at all. The first upsell is 5 unrestricted private label right WordPress themes. They are this one here, the Make Money, one for weight loss, one for health, one for survival, and one for crypto. And you get access to all 5 of these themes that look just like this, that you can use for whatever purpose you want. So you can download these WordPress themes, and if you want, you can start your own WordPress shop, and you can resell these for whatever price you want. You have unlimited use, unlimited access to these themes. You can claim them as your own. And if you want to go in to edit anything and change them up, you can do that and resell them. You can resell them with master resale rights. You can resell these themes with private label rights if you want to even give them that much more value. So this is going to be the first upsell. If you don't want to claim these 5 WordPress themes, then there's a downsell to just getting the top 3, which is the health, the weight loss, and the make money WordPress themes. You can just pick those up and get an extra discount on it. And then the second upsell is to upgrade your commission. So if you want to promote this evergreen training course, you can do that, and right off you can earn 50% commissions throughout this funnel. But if you buy this upsell here, it's going to give you 100% commissions on the front end of this product. So you're going to be earning right around $27 for every sale minus the processing fees, instead of the $13.50. And then that's it for the course. Everything is here, super easy to navigate. It's great for beginners. So if you've never done anything like this, everything's covered in the training from beginning to end. So you can go out and you can find PLR products, you can buy them, you can edit them, rebrand them, claim them as your own, put them on your website, where then you can grow your email list, and you can make a lot of money reselling them and also getting people to click on your affiliate links and buying products that way also. And this is what PLR Wealth is all about.